Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. You might have seen my previous video where I talked about how to make kayak seats more comfortable, especially if you suffer from back pain like me, or maybe you just need a bit of back support so that you don't feel like you're flopping around in it. So I showed you these cushions that I was using. What I did find in the Story drop stitch kayak, which is just a little bit rockier, these made it feel very unstable and I needed another option. And thankfully I found one. That's right, an orthopedic cushion. Now this one is by Ladens and it was one of the better value ones available on Amazon and I really like it. It's got this kind of non-slip base here and a breathable mesh top, and that's what your bum sits on. And then when you drop this into the kayak, you've got a little bit of space there for your coccyx to have room. And also it's just really nicely cushioned. I'm going to open this up in a minute and show you what's inside. However, if you do find in my, this kayak's a bit different, but in my Story kayak, the seat bows in the back, and so you've got no back support whatsoever. And oddly enough, that's where this comes in particularly handy, because with it being air inflated, it just molds to your back and fills in any gaps. So it's really handy for that. But not so much, as I say, in this kayak. But let's have a look inside here. So there is a zip, and when you peel that back, there's this beautiful memory foam interior. But the best bit is there's this waterproof gel topping. It's just so comfortable. If you've seen my kayak trip where I did 14 miles on the River Ouse, this is what I kept referring to as the game changer. Absolute game changer. I simply can't tell you how delighted I am to have found this. It's just made my whole kayaking experience 100% better. Every time I've used this, I've not had any of the back pain that I normally get. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description so you can have a look and check it out for yourself. If you like this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you noisy aeroplane, just at an inopportune time. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe. All it means is you get a notification from YouTube whenever you open it up, whenever I've uploaded another video. And it costs you nothing. How fabulous is that? Alright, you take care of yourself. And as I say, thank you so much for watching. Cheerio.